This just got in, and it has nothing to do with paint, but it has to do with my studio, and it has to do with color. This is a new pop filter for my microphone, and the Podmic USB came with a black pop filter, unlike the original Podmic from Rode that didn't come with a pop filter, an external one. But now they have colored versions. This is a blue one, since I already have a blue headphone cable. And it's, you know, it's solid. It works. It is definitely blue, has a nice subtle Rode logo on it, and you know, switching it is quite easy. Although I do like this look of the Podmic USB. Without one, it just works better with a pop filter. And look at this. This is the bright blue version. They only have one blue version, by the way, but it exactly matches their cable. And you know, it really, really pops. I just want to clarify that I haven't been sponsored by Rode, but I do recommend that product because I really love them. I'm using the Podmic USB at the moment with, you know, everything that comes with it, but they do have new USB-C cables as well, colored ones, that also perfectly match the audio cables for the headphones. But for the pop filter, it does come in a few extra colors. So they have blue, green, orange, and pink, like the, well, plastic clips and other things that Rode has, cables as well, but they now offer purple, red, and white for the pop filter as well. This was just a colorful studio update. A more pigmented video will follow soon. See you later, guys.